Peter through one of our family friends. My mom and dad needed insurance, and so we asked one of the family friends if they know anybody they can recommend, and they recommended us Peter. He's so great. He helped us already with my mom's insurance, with my dad's insurance. We also got my life insurance policy with him. Once we see how good he was with my mom and dad's health insurance, we got two life insurance with him. So he was really good in explaining different options to us, and we chose the best one.
One thing I like about Peter is he's really thorough. He brings out the application, he explains the section, he just doesn't start with, okay, tell me your name and whatever. He explains the sections, goes over it, each and every page, and then slowly, gradually grabs all the information and explains what are the next steps and gives us a copy. When he leaves, you hardly have any questions in your mind. So it's really detailed. I like that.
I think the best thing about him is that he is available anytime we need him, because since we got this couple of insurances with him, I had to contact him back a couple of times with different questions, and he was just an email away or a phone call away. And that really is very comforting to know that somebody who's giving you this kind of support is right there, and that's not very easy to find.
He suggests you the insurance policies, but you never feel like he's trying to sell you one.
Mm-hmm.
He makes us understand there is a need, and you don't feel like he's pushing you for the sales or trying to sell you a policy that you don't need.
I have already recommended him to my parents, and they are very happy with the insurance they have received through Peter. And I have recently recommended one of my good friends also, because her parents are coming from India and they need health insurance. So Peter has already called me and called my friend and helping them.
Any questions you may have, you can either ask him while he's there, or even later on something comes up, you can always either text or email and he'll respond right back to you. He spends enough time with you to make you feel comfortable that you are making the right decision for your future or for your family's health. So definitely, Peter is a go-to guy for insurance.